how the internet works. Internetin akkamitti hojjeta addunyaa kana. A deep dive technical blueprint. Every modern developer must master this. Developer kamuu master gochuu qaba isa kana. Waa internet beekuu qaba. Internetin akkamitti hojjeta. Part 1 Autonomy of a visitor. Cables, address resolution, graphical compliance. Isa kana seeran hubachuun dirqama ta'a. The foundation and the interface. The global internet. Internetin addunyaa irratti akkamitti hojjeta. The internet is not a magical cloud. It is not a magical cloud. It is a physical. Internetin magical cloud. It is a physical. Planetary scale network of fiber optics cable, routers, coppers, wiring communicating through unified protocol TCP/IP. The modern browser acts as a runtime translator. They request raw document, intercept code, HTML, CSS or JS, construct the document, DOM, CSS OM, and render visual layout to the screen. Asirratti waan hubachuu qabnu internetiin waan physically mul'atu malee waan magically ta'e miti jechuudha. Waan hin mul'ata internetiin. Totally internetiin keebilii walitti hiinee wantoota RJ45 connect goone fiber optics connect goone laayinii walitti deemee bira dhufa malee physically waan mul'atudha jechuudha. It is not magical cloud. Modern browser garaagaraa ammoo maal hojjetu tokko runtime translator ta'u internetidha. They request new raw document, intercept code, HTML or CSS, JavaScript waliin construct the DOM or CSS OM and render visual layout of the screen jechuudha. Addressing is a web URL jechuudha jechuudha. Unified resource locator jechuudha. URL is the absolute path to a specific online resource. Kana beekuu qabna. The absolute path. Domain name jenna. google.com. Maal jenna. Inni kana jechuun maal jechuudha? The absolute path of the resource jechuudha. Online resource. It breaks down into a protocol, HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP is not secure. HTTPS is a secure and encrypted. A host domain and a specific file path of query. Domain name, a clean human readable title. Isa jechuun maal jechuudha? Kan namaaf galuu danda'u. Google yoo jennee IP isaa 14 wayii jedhee qaba. Fakkeenyaaf internetonni addunyaa kanarra jiran hundi isaanii IP of danda'an qabu. Domain name immoo IP saniin walitti hidhataa jechuudha. Google.com act as a memorable alias for numeric. Machine readable is IP address. IP addressing IP wan garagaratti jechuudha hundumaaf. Inni biraa the web phone book jechuudha. The web phone book. DNS jechuun maal jechuudha? Phone book jechuudha. The web phone book. Mapping name to IP. When you type a domain name, your browser query the domain name system DNS to find its target IP. This recursive lookup process through the root server, the top level domain TLD server like.com, and finally the authoritative name server to return the destination address. Part 1 ito mul'eerra. Part 2 irratti immoo server hosting and scale secure pipelines. Understanding where the cloud lives and how client coordinate with host. Web hosting in the modern computer. Where the data lives. Hosting is renting continuous storage and compute space on high capacity servers, optimizing to listen for the incoming information. Hosting jechuun maal jechuudha? Renting storage on live server jechuudha. Servera live irra jirurraa gadi fudhannee waa wayii irraa kireeffachuu storage wayii. High capacity servera barbaannaa optimize. Inni kun immoo requestii dhufu dhaggeeffatee data kan kennuuf jechuudha. Whether hosted on physical data center or Docker container orchestration, distributed CDN, modern host system guarantee real near uninterrupted available for global storage assets. Kun ifaadha waan ta'e waan irratti dubbannu qaba. Client server partnership. The client, the device initiate query, usually your browser, collect input, managing activity, memory state, and issuing outgoing request. The pipeline, network route, local IP, ISP, and routing gateway, the forward format data package safely across fibers. Server specialized computer listening on active port, executing business servers, business logic, and life cycle of HTTP request, resolve, network parsing, route data. Jalqaba maal dura request jira. Requestiin kun HTTPS dhaan HTTP'n ergamu, gate'n ergamaa fi inni immoo network resolveriin maal hojjeta? Network pass route data payload straight to the host machine dha. Process kan godhamu web server validates the request and extract data from database irraa. Response immoo okay response yookaan kuma lama deebisaa jechuudha. Ishee kana immoo qabachuu qabdu CS. Standard of security. HTTP versus HTTPS. Maali garaagarummaan isaa? Feature completion, standard HTTP, secure HTTP. Security layer, send over plain text, vulnerability, interception qaba. Encrypted via TLS or SSL certificate. Standard porting, operate on port 80, operate on port 443. Data integrity, payload can be read or altered in transit, guarantees complete cryptographic safety, SEO and trust, ranked lower, flagged unsaved by modern browser, industry mandates, display log icon on browser. Inni kun immoo protocol efficiency, HTTP version latency, isaan kana immoo qalliftanii dubbisuu dandeessu. Discussion kana immoo qabachuu qabdu mata duree kan mastering web basic separate great developer from average coders. Subscribe for more complete developing breakdowns. Please subscribe YouTube channel idaju. Subscribe gochuun dagatinaa. Akkasuma YouTube channel keenya kan subscribe godhaan jajjabeessa. Gara fuulduraatti akka baaftan jenna. Waraabulaa deebanaa nagaan tura. Bye bye.